Hello children, we're going to think about scale today with our geography. So I'd like you to go into the file and open up your map. So you can choose the Buckland one again that I'd made last time and then close that again. And we're going to look at scale. So let's have a look down here. All maps have a scale on them and they help us work out how far things are in real life versus how far they are in the map. So this part here, you can see it's in miles and kilometres. So we're going to think about miles. So if you go all the way along here, if we measure that amount on the map, that will count as 10 miles. If we're thinking about kilometres, if we measure that amount on the map, that's going to be 10 kilometres. If we change the scale of our map, so if we get a little bit closer in, so if you imagine that we are zooming in, oh, that's a bit far. We're going to zoom in, get a little bit closer, as if you're in the sky and you're getting closer to the earth. You can see that now this amount on the map is now 500 meters. If we get a little bit closer in, remember we can move our map around just by dragging it. We can now see that that's 200 meters. And if we get a little bit further in, we get a scale of 100 meters. We can get even closer and we can really see our school here. So you can see Acorn Classroom, you can see the sheds, and you can see our classroom here. We can get really close in and see our schoolhouse. It's a shame we're not there at the moment. The other thing we can do with this map is if we scale out, we can look at symbols. So that's what I'd like you to investigate today. I want you to have a look at some symbols. So we don't really get very many symbols when we're this close in, but actually we change the scale, we get more symbols on our map. So you can see that there are symbols here, 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 here. Get a little bit further out, we may find that there are some more. So we can see that the symbols over here. Now, what I'd like you to do is investigate what these symbols mean. So I'd like you to use the web, use the internet, and find out what the symbols mean and where they are. You might want to investigate the area around here, or you might want to investigate another area of the country that you know about. Good luck.